Hello friends, welcome back friends. Sorry for the I have been not been doing reading from past so many days because I have been very busy. So let's do the reading. What's the current feeling of your person and what they are thinking right now? Base card is temple path. So definitely your person is getting spiritual. I can say that because the temple path leads to spirituality. So maybe a spiritual awakening of your person has started, or awakening of your person has started, and this fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel is coming. So definitely they are thinking about communicating with you, or you are working on your throat chakra a lot, so that your communication starts. I feel many of you are working a lot on your communication chakra, fifth chakra, and even that is working, that is showing result, because a person is definitely thinking of communicating with you. That's for sure, because their throat chakra is healing. Healer of the ages card is coming. Definitely their throat chakra is healing, their heart is healing. You just can see how their heart, there's one golden light is coming out of their heart. You can see that because of this they are healing. When the heart gets healed, then only the person thinks of communicating with you, na. So definitely your hard work is paying off, and your person is healing. You can say that they are thinking a lot about this. You can say the thinking woman card is coming. They are thinking a lot about communicating with you, talking with you. This is definitely on their mind. Or when there is quite possibility some of your persons can contact you, because when the fifth chakra card is coming and the fourth chakra card, both are opening together, definitely the heart chakra is also balancing, and this healing card is also coming. So definitely they are healing their heart chakra, and they are healing their fifth chakra, communication. All these both these both chakras are very important for communication to begin between both of you. If your person's heart is healed, and then only they can think of communicating with you. Now their heart is healed and they are realizing this love, so they are thinking of communicating with you. They definitely want a happy family with you. This is kind of four of wands card. So they are definitely thinking of a happy family with you, with long term family, like children and everything. This kind of feeling is going on in a person's mind. And goddess of the moon is card is coming. They definitely consider a high regard. They definitely appreciate your love, your true love, your dedication. Definitely that has increased a lot of respect in their mind and heart for you. They consider in very hard regards, you can say that. This is a nice feeling. This is a nice feeling I am getting from these cards. Sacrifice card is coming. Maybe it's quite possible that you must have chased your person a lot in the past, and they have not contacted, they have not responded you the way you wanted to. This thing is also going on in their mind, ki how much you have chased them, how much importance you have given them, and how much you used to care for them. That is definitely going on in your person's mind. This is a grace card. This is a star card, you can say. So definitely your person knows that you are their perfect love. This card, all these cards, the lovers path tarot, all this, every card there is a story. So in this card also there is a story behind this, how this person, this angel is helping this person who has loved his partner so much, her partner so much, that by doing so much of inner work and so much of perseverance, she fell down once. So the angel comes to help her and to raise her from her that bad situation. The angel comes and heals this person. So the angel is definitely helping both of you. You can say that because your stars are good. You can always even say that. But the mental conflict is definitely still on in your person's mind. Five of staves, or maybe some family issues or some family problems is still there, because the five of staves, the card is of arguments and mental conflict. So this is definitely going on in your person's mind. And 10 of cups card is coming. This mental conflict is regarding this 10 of cups, this long term commitment, that how you both are going to come together, how you both are going to manage to cover the distance that is between both of you. That is definitely going on in your person's mind. So they are thinking about all these things right now, you can say that. Sudden wealth, okay, some of you can expect some abundance in your life, or in your person's life they can expect some financial growth in their life. This is quite possibility, but this is 11 number card. So if suppose a person is this base card is coming 11 number, and again this coming court house card. 11 number is a card of justice also, and court house. If suppose a person is waiting for a divorce or something like that, or they are waiting for to end their third party relationship permanently, then that is definitely going to progress, because the courthouse card is coming. So definitely they are thinking of ending this third party situation or something like that. It may not resonate with everyone. In some cases I am telling, because your person and you both have toiled and labored a lot for this relationship. You both know how much you both have had so much patience, perseverance, and how much effort you both have put for this relationship. So this thing is also concerning your person. Maybe they are thinking about how they should end the third party situation and how they should progress. All this thing is also going on in your person's mind. So all this thing is making creating a lot of conflict in their mind about this long term commitment with you. So you can say that sensuality, express your sensuality. Your person may be thinking of expressing your love in a sensual way to you. That is also quite possible. Or they are thinking about the sensual relationship with you in the past. That is also quite possible. That is going on in a person's mind. Hope friends you like my reading. Then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.